Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp backups not working. So if your WhatsApp backup is not working, then in this video I've compiled a list for you in order to basically fix this issue. So the first thing you want to try and do if this issue is basically causing is what you want to do is head over to settings over on your iPhone or Android, click on mobile services, and then what you need to do is scroll down till you find WhatsApp, and you need to make sure that WhatsApp basically has access to your mobile services in order to use mobile data. Because a backup sometimes takes pretty long, and if Wi-Fi is not strong enough, it can automatically switch over to your mobile services, so make sure that's enabled. Now, basically once you've done that, the second thing you want to make sure and do is check your Wi-Fi connection. Like I already said, you need to have a pretty strong Wi-Fi in order to actually back up WhatsApp. So make sure that you have a pretty strong Wi-Fi connection. You can try this out by just using YouTube. If YouTube is working fine on your Wi-Fi, then backing up will also be working fine. Now, if that did not fix the issue for you, that's not the case. Now what you can simply do is head over into settings on your iPhone, click on your name right here, then click on iCloud. And then what you need to do is make sure that you have enough storage basically over on your iCloud. We can currently see 5 gigabytes of the 5 gigabytes are currently used, meaning that my WhatsApp will not be able to back up. So I can either get more iCloud storage or I can delete some things. So that's really important. Now, if you have enough iCloud storage, then you want to make sure to check if you have enough storage on your basically your phone itself. So in order to do this, what you simply need to do is go and head over to your WhatsApp, then click on storage and data and click on manage storage, and you need to make sure that you have at least like 1 or 2 gigabytes left over on your device in order to use for this backup. If not, your backup will fail, so make sure that you have enough storage. Now, if that still did not fix the issue for you, then what we can also simply do is head over into those backups again. So chat backup. You need to make sure that include videos is disabled. I would not recommend turning this on at all, because if you have this on, sometimes you will get videos which are like 10, 20, 40 gigabytes. And if that also needs to be backed up, it will take a really long time in order to back that up. So just make sure that include videos is basically turned off. That's at least what I would recommend doing. Now, if that still did not fix the issue for you, then what you can try and do is basically just reset your iCloud. So go into iCloud right here, then make sure to click on iCloud Drive and make sure to simply enable and disable this. You can just enable and disable it really quickly, and then you want to try again to see if it now works. So click on disable, turn off and delete from iPhone, and then simply enable it again, and then you want to see if it's working. If it's still not working, then what I would recommend doing is heading over into settings on my iPhone like this. And once you've done that, basically what you can do is head over into general, iPhone storage. And then what you need to do is scroll down until you find WhatsApp right here. And then in order to clear the cache of our WhatsApp, because that's what we're going to do, is we are going to click on offload app. So click on offload app, wait a few minutes, all your documents and data will be saved over on your device. So everything will still be there, your chats and everything. And basically once it's offloaded, you can reinstall the app through this exact page. It's really important that you use this page, so don't close it. And then you can simply use WhatsApp again, and your WhatsApp has basically been hard resetted and the cache has been cleared. Now, if that still did not fix the issue for you, then what I would recommend doing is simply restarting my phone, and I would actually go for our forced restart. So if you're using your iPhone, what you can simply do is press the volume up button really quickly, then volume down really quickly, and then press and hold basically the power button till your entire phone goes dark. But you want to keep holding it till it's completely dark, and then you want to keep holding it till that iPhone logo pops up or that Apple logo pops up. So just wait, keep on holding till Apple logo pops up, and the second that Apple logo pops up, what you can simply do is let it go, and then basically your iPhone will automatically restart, and you have forced restarted your phone, which basically fixes a lot of issues with certain apps, including WhatsApp. So yeah, that are basically all of the fixes I have for you guys. If you have basically fixed your issue because of this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.